Finally, I am giving you a review of this particular Midea tabletop 8 place dishwasher. Now it has nearly been 1.5 years old, and there has been lot of queries from my section of my viewers how it's working. Somebody has asked whether any rust issue has come within the machine. Now you see it's 1.5 years old and everything is clean, and these things you need to clean periodically. This strainer, the inside, as you see, still there is no rust. Even I haven't fitted any water filter guard, iron guard with my particular tap line. You know, Kolkata is having, especially the South Kolkata is having some iron issue, but I haven't still installed it, and still the machine is working fine. This is the salt, and I am using Finish brand. This is the best salt you have. You can see the amount of load we will be giving in this particular small machine. This I won't recommend this, but ये पूरा सॉल्ट देके भर्ती कर दिया मैंने. इधर सोप देंगे, और इसमें थोड़ा सा वो जो राइन साइड है, राइन साइड अभी मेरे पास फॉर्चून का है. फिनिश इज़ अ बेटर वन. So rain seeds actually helps to rinse your utensils. बर्तन जब ड्राइंग होगा ये लिक्विड हेल्प होगा, करेंगे ये काम. एंड वी आर यूजिंग डिटर्जेंट of Fortune brand. You can use Finish, you can use other brands also. Since it is raining every day and there is quite amount of moisture in the atmosphere, so lump formation has taken place. This is a cost effective way. You can use tablets also, 3 in 1, but that is bit costly. We are using this because we need to clean our utensil daily, and sometimes we need to do it twice a day depending upon the load. So we are
इतना सारा बर्तन एवरी डे दो बार.
हाँ, इतना सारा बर्तन हम लोग एवरी डे वॉश करते हैं. So we wash every day.
सबका क्लीन जो है.
Only care should be taken that you do not add your utensils with left out foods and all. So that care is taken. So we are now filling the machine with our utensils. There should be a sufficient amount of gap, because since it works on water spraying principle, so sufficient gap should be there so that the water spray can pass through. That is very important. If you overload it, then one problem will be there. Some of the utensils may not get proper water spray. So this care should be taken. Let us fill it up. Should be kept like this in an overturned position. This should be taken care of, that you have to place your utensils in this way. It's a very good machine, and till now I haven't any problem, and I never required to contact my service center.
एकदम एक बार देने से हो जाता है, घर में नहीं रहेगा तो सब हो जाएगा.
And we'll give on a economy wash load, and it will wash clean and dry after
हम लोग जब काम
the set amount of time.
सब देकर चला जाता है.
This is the spoon rack. So we have filled up the machine with the utensils, and before starting, check that the fan is rotating freely. The fan should not get stuck. So there is a fan, a lower fan is also there. So both the fans are working. Now the machine is ready for use. Press on the power button and select your wash load and press start. There are different workloads, so we choose the economy one. So after 3 hours it will be ready. Finally the washing cycle is over, and I will show you how the utensils have been cleaned. Let's start with one of the rice plates. You see it's absolutely clean. It's absolutely clean. These are smaller plates. You see these are all old crockeries. Now I will show you some spoons and cups. Show the spoons. The spoons are absolutely clean, as if it is like a new one. All these spoons are more than 15 to 20 years old. These are the cups. So everything is spotlessly clean. This is a cup. These cups are also 5 to 6 years old. These are actually defects of the cup. Actually the enamel has peeled off. This is not that it has not cleaned the cup. This is the enamel has been peeled off, but we are still using it for some purposes. But if you see the sides, it's absolutely clean. So what is my recommendation? You can very well consider a dishwasher for your family, and this particular dishwasher works well for Indian utensils. So if you find the video useful, please do subscribe, and if you have any comments regarding this dishwasher, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much and goodbye.